Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. If anything, good morning. Welcome back, guys. Sorry, I sound a little tired because I slept in. We didn't get out here too late. It's about 6:50 right now, so let's just say 7 o'clock. We are looking for white bass. Okay, I'm parked on the roadside so you guys can hear the cars like going back and forth. I'm parking in these like backwater bend stuff, looking for spawning white bass, right? Because you guys already know that the bite is getting better as it warms up, right? This morning it's 32 degrees, so it's still pretty cold, but the water temp should be around I'm guessing, okay, I'm just guessing 40, maybe, 40 degrees. And all I know is that it is pretty sunny out, but I think the sun is going to warm up some of these flatter areas, these gravel areas, these laydowns, and hopefully the white bass come around and hang around the spot that I'm going to fish. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay, you guys? I really appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys check out the new baits, and I'll see you guys out in the water. Alright guys, so right off the bat, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's ice frost on the grass. That's how cold it is. That's how cold it was last night. So we're gonna fish right by these rocks here, I guess. It looks like a good spot. I don't know. So I have no idea. The water's kind of clear too. I think there's big fish out there. So we'll find out, right? Whew, it's cold. It's really cold. It's beautiful out though. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's nice. Oh, I got one. I actually got a fish. It's a white bass. What the heck? Sorry, I was not ready for that. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. It's a little guy, but still. There. Awesome. That's awesome. First fish. I was not ready. Yep, they're over there. I just let it fall and then you grabbed it. Jeez, I was not ready for that, guys. At least I know they're here. Got them. There we go. Jeez, they fight so hard. Oh my gosh. They're not even that big, they fight hard. I mean, I'm not being ungrateful here. They're still good size, good eaters, but wow, fight freaking hard as heck. Okay, it's 2 within 15 minutes. Catch and release. I'll start keeping them. They're a little bigger than that. And I'll be honest with you guys, when you come and fish stuff like this, just prepare to snag and lose bait. Because it's pretty shallow, you can feel the bottom, you can feel logs and laydowns and rocks. You're gonna donate lures no matter what. Like, I snag up and I break off all the time. So obviously I come out and, I spend time on these areas. So I don't... Oh, I got one. I was just gonna tell you guys. Yeah, that's just the reality of it, man. Like, you lose lures so much out here, it's crazy. But it's totally worth it when you get a fish like this that fights so hard. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. Jeez. Oh, that's a better one. Yeah. It's getting better. Yep, getting better, guys. You know what? I might keep this one. I'll start keeping it. Yeah, this one's good. Just got a little nice back to it, Nice white bass. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Yeah, I'll start keeping it just for good luck. But I did say I was going to keep some, so when you say that, you got to keep them, alright? Because if you don't, you start throwing them away, you're not going to find them no more. You know what I mean? Got him. That's a nice one. That's a better fish. Yep. It's a way better fish. Oh my gosh. What is that? Just took it really hard. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to give you guys a view here. Oh, it's a walleye, dude. It's a walleye. That's why. It's not big, but it's still a walleye. You know what I mean? Like, check it out. Dude, that's awesome. Where's my net? Oh, and you got a scar on you, bro. Wow. Holy smoke, what happened to you, buddy? Oh, jeez, jeez. Look at this, my life. That's a nice walleye, man. He just got a bunch of messed up things going on his face there. Here, hold on, touch it. I'm sure it's just some kind of like rash, you know, but that's a beautiful river fish. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting that, guys. That was pretty darn cool. Pretty cool. I'm using 4-pound test fluoro tied on to a 6-pound test leader, okay, fluoro leader. Now the reason being is because, again, like I said, there's structures out here that I gotta watch out for. If I rub against rocks and stuff like that, that 6-pound test is just gonna give that extra durability, even though I think 4-pound be okay, but you just never know, you know. And plus, you don't have to retie as much when you're using 6-pound test compared to 4-pound test. A 6.9 light action rod. I'm using a size 2000 S, right? 2000 reel. It's shallow, so it allows me to cast lighter lure further than traditional reels. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's kind of like in the BFS world, the bait finesse world. When you have a shallower spool, you can cast lighter lure a bit further. Now you have to sacrifice the distance of line that you gain, right? Like you don't have much to use, but again, I'm battling white bass, little walleye, stuff like that. If it's a catfish, I may or may not be screwed. It depends how much they fight, but and the size of them. So most likely it'll peel me out because I have around probably just like 50 yards. Oh, I got a fish. Dang, I was talking to you guys. I was not paying attention. That's a nice one too. Yeah, I have probably 50, 60 yards only, maybe. Depends. So just taking your time, enjoying the fight, casting towards these awesome fish here. It's a blessing. This is a little small for me. I'll let it go. Oh, I got one. That's a better fish, I think. They all just feel so nice out there in the current. I'm gonna fight a little lower so you guys can see it. No, too much splashing. Too much splashing, buddy. Oh my goodness, fight so hard. Yeah, oh yeah, this one's better. Yep, I'll keep this one. See? Yep, this one's a little better. Keep this one for sure. That's a much better fish. Yeah. Oh, I just missed one. Jeez. That was fast. There we go. They're in the current. Man. Look at them go, dude. They fight so hard. That's another nice one. Oh yeah, this one will keep. Yep, like I said, these are better. Much better fish. They're thick males. Like milk color, bone color. Oh, it's like the perfect swim bait color up here in the Midwest. But it doesn't hurt to try other colors, just so you know. Oh, dude, we got smoked. We got smoked. Yup. Nice, it works. Oh my god, this is a tugger, dude. Okay then. Yeah, it's just a fighter. It's not that big, but yeah. Oh, jeez. Okay, they like the gray. The question has been answered. There we go. The Live 2.0. That drop. Alright, we'll try super view this time. See what happens. Oh, I got one. There we go. That's a better fish. That's a better fish, I think. Yep. Well, it's just a fighter, like all of them. So these things are warriors, man. Pull and drag. Oh, it's a walleye, dude. Oh, yes. Dude, we got another walleye. Oh, this one's better too. Look at that, guys. Sheesh. That's cool. That's really cool. On that Lavy 2.0, I keep telling y'all, man. This freaking lure is money, bro. Alrighty. My dude. Nice, beautiful walleye. Catch and release. See you, buddy. The Bagans, the slab seekers. Got another one. Oh my goodness, look at that. Dude just took air, took flight, I mean. Took air. Hope he's taking air. Man, look at, oh jeez. Pulling so hard, dude. Sheesh. These white bass are so addicting. Oh, this one's better, but yeah, I'll let you go. I'll let you live. Look how shiny it is. Oh, my eyes. Just kidding. Get your release. Like I said, it just makes it that much more fun when you're using lighter tackle and you're catching fish. Oh my goodness, look at them peel the drag. Oh, 4-pound test, a 6-pound leader, right? And they're fighting current. I'm trying to show you guys the fight here. I'm holding it all awkward. There we go. Okay, it's getting closer. It's just so much fun, dude. Oh, look at this. Man, how do you say no to that? Oh yeah, this is a keeper actually. I'll keep this one. This one's better. Yup. You got a nice back to it, you know? How do I decide? Just look at the back. You see that taco? When it curls up like that, that's some good meat. A nice fish. There we go. Dude, the bigger ones like the jigging action, eh? Wow, look at this guy. What is this? Oh, whoa. What is this? This is running pretty hard. Oh, it's a nice white bass. You know, I lied. I'm gonna keep this one. Oh my god, this one is huge. Wow. Roadside white bass. Wow. Gonna head out soon because it's around 10 o'clock. I got things to do midday. You know, I got a life too, guys. Just kidding. But yeah, I got things to do, so. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm gonna go now. Gotta head back home, back in town. I fished for a good 3 hours, 3.5 hours. You can say it's like 10, 20-ish right now. So it was cool, it was fun. We caught a lot of fish. Can't beat it, you know. Morning breakfast is served. I got my fish and I'm gonna go ahead and take it home and bleed them out, fillet it and everything. Cook them up real nice. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up. We gotta do this again. That was fun. The water is still really cold, so we'll be out here. Stay tuned.